Sucede algo
Something
y
happens
empiezan.
and they start.
¿Cómo sucedió?
How did it
¿Con
happen?
quién sucedió?
Who did it happen
No, ya
with?
yo sé.
Oh, I already know.
Mira, hay gente que tiene una habilidad que yo diría, ¿por qué Hollywood no los descubre?
Look, there's people that have an ability that I say, why hasn't Hollywood discovered them?
Podrían ser unos escritores de películas
They would be able
increíbles.
to write movies, incredible movies,
Hacen unas historias
because they make some stories.
y cuando llega la persona con la que van a discutir,
And when the person comes, the one that they're going to argue with,
oh my God.
oh my God.
Uno hasta se sorprende.
You even get surprised.
En el momento, ¿verdad?, que le dicen algo, uno dice, pero
In the moment that they say something, you say, well, wait a minute.
y todo esto.
And what's all this?
No lo vengas a negar.
Don't come and deny it.
Pero espérate, que
But wait a
¿qué
minute.
estás hablando?
It's what are you talking
¿A
about?
cuánto le ha pasado?
To how many of you that's happened?
Mira el que está a tu lado y a ti te ha pasado.
Look at the one that's next to you and say, it's happened to you.
No vemos cosas
We see things
y asumimos
and we assume
y las interpretamos a nuestra manera.
and we interpret them in our way.
Eso es torturarte
And that's
mentalmente.
mental torture.
Se fue tu novia, se fue tu novio,
Your boyfriend left, your girlfriend left,
se fue tu esposo, se fue
your
tu
husband
esposa.
left, your wife left.
Pero estoy diciendo, ¿verdad?, que o a trabajar o lo
I'm
que
saying
sea.
like to go to work or to whatever.
Empieza uno de los dos.
One of the two starts.
¿Dónde estará?
I wonder where he's
¿Qué
at.
estará
I
haciendo?
wonder what he is doing.
¿Con quién está?
I
Ya
wonder
ves con quién
with
estará.
who he's with. I wonder who he's with.
Si no contestas,
If you don't answer,
te moriste.
you die.
Ahí es que tú empiezas.
Because there's where you
Por algo
start.
no quiere contestar.
Oh, there's a reason why he doesn't want to answer.
Eso es tortura mental.
That's torture, mental torture.
¿Por qué tú tienes que pensar lo que no estás viendo?
Why do you got to think what you're not seeing?
¿Por qué tienes fe para eso?
Why do you have faith for that,
Pero no fe para lo de Dios.
but not faith for the things of God?
¿Por qué?
Why?
Yo te digo,
I'm going to tell
porque
you.
has creado una fortaleza
Because you have created a
en la
stronghold
cual tu pensamiento
where your thought
te ha controlado.
has controlled you.
Temor crónico,
The chronic fear,
convulsiones,
seizures,
cambios de voz,
changes in your voice,
estados catatónicos,
catatonic states.
que eso es una persona o cuando tú te quedas paralizado en algo.
That is a person or somebody that just gets paralyzed while
Eso,
they're doing something.
eso que le gusta decir me quedo en shock,
Those that like to say, oh, I was left in shock.
eso es un control
That is a control.
mental que detiene tus
A
emociones
mental control that stops your
y eso
emotions.
no es normal.
And that's not normal.
Poderes psíquicos,
Psychic powers,
esos que hacen películas.
those that make movies.
Te vi
I saw you
y no has visto nada.
and you have not seen anything.
Pensaste,
You thought,
pero no tenías nada.
but you didn't have anything.
Solo porque tu mente
Just because your mind
te está controlando.
is controlling you.
No te olvides que el campo de batalla más poderoso que el enemigo tiene es
Don't
tu
forget
mente.
that the strongest battlefield that the enemy has is your
Tú
mind.
tienes que entender
You have to
que un
understand
cambio de mente
that a change of
te
your
va a libertar.
It's going to deliver
Por
you.
eso mira, yo les voy a dar un consejo.
Look, I'm going to give you some advice.
Estos problemas son contagiosos.
These problems are
Y
contagious.
cuando tú compartes con gente así,
And when you share with people like that,
se te puede adquirir una forma
you could acquire a
o
form
manera
or a way
que tú te vas a afectar.
that you're going to be affected.
Amén.
Amen?
La falta de sensibilidad al dolor,
The lack of sensibility to pain,
fuerza sobrenatural,
supernatural strength,
cambios repentinos de personalidad.
changes that are just all of a sudden of your
Te estoy
personality.
mencionando las características para después hablar.
And I am mentioning the characteristics so that then we could speak about them.
Sueños violentos,
Violent
pesadillas.
dreams,
Esa
violent
gente,
dreams,
esa gente que se levanta
nightmares.
casi muertos,
Those people that get up and they're almost half dead,
que el corazón se les quiere salir
that their heart wants to come out of them.
y después dicen que Dios les está revelando.
And then they're saying that God is revealing to them.
Dios no te va a asustar para decirte algo.
God is not going to scare you to say something to you.
No, que pensé que te vi con
No,
alguien.
I thought that I saw you with somebody.
No, eso tú lo tenías desde temprano.
No,
y
you
te
had that
acostaste
from
con
earlier
eso.
and you just went to bed with it.
¿Me entendiste o no?
Did you understand me or not?
No, que yo no duermo pensando en esto.
No, I can't sleep because I'm thinking about this.
Tú lo dijiste.
You said it.
No duermo pensando en esto.
You don't sleep because you're thinking in this.
No es Dios.
It's not God.
Dios no atormenta a nadie.
God doesn't torment
¿Tú quieres
anybody.
que Dios te hable?
Do you want God to speak to
Crea
you?
una relación con Él.
Well, just create a relationship with Him.
Y Él te va a hablar.
And He is going to
Y
speak
lo
to
que
you
tenga que decirte,
And whatever he has
te
to
lo
say
va a
to you,
decir
he is gonna
sin
say.
atormentarte.
without tormenting you.
Que soñé, que no tenía cabeza, que lo otro, que...
I dreamed that the head and this and that.
Que te vi a ti, que vi al otro.
I
Que vi
saw
a
you,
aquel.
I saw the other person, I saw that other person.
Oye, viste a todo el mundo menos a ti, tu condición.
You saw everybody, but you didn't look at yourself. You didn't see yourself with the condition you have.
Mira algo y dile,
Look at somebody and say,
eso está en la mente.
that's in the mind.
Eso tiene que ver más con lo psíquico que con el poder de Dios.
That has more to do with the psychics than with the power
Yo
of
te hago
God.
una pregunta.
I ask you a
Si tu
question.
relación con Dios
If your relationship with
no
God
está al 100,
is not at 100,
¿cómo es que Dios te habla en sueños?
how is it that God is speaking to you in dreams?